the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I was supposed to be doing a chit chat get ready with me, but I ended up doing my makeup off camera because apparently I'm not supposed to be doing any makeup at all because I just got a nose ring and I don't want it to get infected. But if you can tell, I don't think you can tell, but I didn't do any makeup around this area. So I wanted a nose ring for so long, but I was so scared to get it because I thought it would be painful. Like, give me a tattoo any day, but piercings I cannot tolerate. But I ended up doing it and it's only been a week, so I'm supposed to be staying away from makeup. I did my makeup off camera and just stayed away from that area. And so in this video, I'll basically be showing you guys my holiday collection of lip glosses. When I'm not doing nothing, nobody texts me. But as soon as I start doing the video, everybody wants to text me. I don't understand that. So basically, I'll just be doing the holiday collection lip glosses. I don't know if I want to talk through the video or just do a voiceover, but we'll see when we get there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and add me on all my social medias. Your girl got deleted, so I'm trying to build up my followers again. And the lashes I'm wearing is I believe this one is corrupted. This one is corrupted. And I am wearing a combo of the Anastasia Dip Brow. This is actually this is actually for your brows, and I line my lips with the color, I believe it was chocolate, and then I laid some of my Paradise lip gloss on top of it. So that's my lip combo for today, and I'm wearing corrupted lashes like I mentioned before. So if you guys want to see how I achieve all this lip glosses, just keep on watching. So basically, to sterilize my lip glosses, I use boiling hot water. As you guys can see, all the steam is coming up. I just boiled the water. I'm just going to place that in a little container. And we're going to sterilize them. This is not going to be enough water, so I have to boil some more. So to avoid all the negativity on my channel, like always, I mean, people are going to be negative regardless, I put on some gloves so nobody won't have to say anything to me. So I'm basically just going to start placing the lip gloss tubes in the container and boiling hot water. So this is my lip gloss towel. I only use it for lip glosses. I have never used it on my skin. Only for my lip glosses, okay? Make sure those tubes are fully dry before you apply any lip gloss in there because the water will come up. just going to be adding the oil to the container, and I'm going to add the lip gloss base and start mixing. Here I'm adding my preservative oil, the flavoring oil, and my pigment. I didn't use no specific measurements for the pigment. I just know if I add too little, it will be pink, and I wanted it to be red, so I added as much as I thought would be enough. So since this is a holiday collection, I just thought stars would be more appropriate to use for the discount. Please apply red 20 for 20% off these glosses. So after making the glosses, my gloves were really sticky and really messy, so I changed them because I don't want to hear any complaints. Like I just don't like the negativity on the channel, so I'm gonna try my best to avoid it. So I did change my gloves after making the lip gloss. I was really impressed in how these came out. They came out really cute, and it does have a little red tint to it because I did try it. Every lip gloss I make, I always save one for myself. So basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how I clean the glosses after in some soap and some hot water as well. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.